It's BirdBrain here. Just want to say thanks to everybody for 100 subscribers. We're about to be going out, flying a nice, beautiful sky. Looks like we got a little bit of thermal late fall here, but apparently there's a little bit of wave up there, so we're going to go check it out. I'm here today with Andrew Marchica from the last video. Comments have been noted. We've been talking about things. You guys are helping me out as an instructor myself. We're going to see if we can recreate the landing today with a little less instructor talk and a little more looking out. Alrighty, see you guys in the air.
Andrew Marchica and myself getting ready to take off. I filmed this in time lapse, and so, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Here we go. All right, today the wind's coming from the west. You can really tell the crab angle that we're taking. Mixture of thermal and wave. It was very interesting how we got into the wave. Normally I tow into it, bypassing any rotor. Today we thermaled up and transitioned. About this point, we're looking at where we want to go. We always go into the wind, staying out in the front of the cloud, the southwest side of the clouds. We're hoping that we'll contact some wave here, but we're not quite finding the lift that we expect. All right, pointing out to the front of the clouds, beautiful lenticular clouds out in the distance. And now we're kind of climbing here, finally gained about 800 feet. At this point in time, we're going to push into the wind, try to find the next band of lift. We are at 6,000 feet. We expect a bit of sink, so we're going to probably speed up. All right, so we just basically ran into a solid wall of wind. It's in our tracks, about 4,700 feet, and it seems like we have now contacted the wave. Stay tuned to see the second part of our wave adventure.